Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send an offer to someone on eBay. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're negotiating with someone on eBay and you basically reach an agreement, so you need to send them an offer. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto eBay, and then let's navigate to where our messages are. So you can actually go ahead and click on My eBay and then click on Messages on the upper right hand corner. So what we're going to do is that let's actually go ahead and send this first message. So as you can see, we've been talking and we've basically reached an agreement where we'll meet at $10 for this card. So click on Send Offer, and then we're just going to enter the number that we agreed upon. Click on Review Offer. And with that, we're just going to go ahead and submit the offer again. And there you have it. We've now gone ahead and submitted an offer for this individual. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send an offer to someone on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.